Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Berenda Elementary School, home of the Broncos in Madera, California. My second visit to their school, and was welcomed with open arms, open hearts. A lot of Mr. Peace chants today. It was just so exciting. You know, the students were really excited to have me come back. So that means that something really hit home for them when I spoke last school year, talking about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you see your best friend, for their heart first, right? And we took it up a notch today. We talked about diversity, our differences, both on the outside and on the inside, and the need for human kindness, right? That we still have to appreciate everyone, even if they are different in terms of how they're born, how they walk, talk, see, hear, their skin color, the foods they eat, the languages that they speak, anything external, right, on the outside, but also what's on the inside, internal, right? So our gifts, our talents, our abilities, our skills, we have to really honor everyone, right, for what's on the inside and what's on the outside. And the students really took that to heart. You know, there were some tears today. There was definitely some heartfelt stories, some really powerful videos that I talked about as well and shared with them and discussed with them. We had some hip hop as well, again, too, talking about kindness, unconditional love, you know, just key concepts of diversity in general. And so it was always, you know, amazing to me when we have those pin drop moments, and a lot of the feedback from staff as well, that, you know, what was shared, you know, not only hit and struck a heart chord with the students, but for the adults too. Right, and that's always my hope, is that whatever I share in my assemblies, something's gonna, you know, kind of ring true for someone, whether they've, you know, been through that same type of situation in their lives or had to overcome some pain and turn that pain into greatness, you know, that they can always still choose kindness. And this world needs more kindness, right? And it's so important that we show this, because it may not just be showing that kindness towards one person or a couple that you're actually doing the action towards, but it could be anyone that's in earshot or eyesight of that action. It might change their heart in a positive way too, right? And so to really grasp that, to know that we need to be able to see everyone as human beings, you know, before anything else, and as this too, is huge. We always talk about this. A lot of students, they told me that they, you know, say this every morning on their morning announcements. So that's awesome to hear that these schools are really trying to change their culture and understand that they are true miracles. This M that's on all of our hands, have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, but like the front of my shirt, miracle here, that we are all definitely true miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into that, because there's still a lot of students that tell me, hey, Mr. Peace, you know, I still don't appreciate my own diversity, my own differences. When I look in the mirror, I don't really like my reflection. I don't think that I'm beautiful. But that's so far from the truth, right? Every one of us is beautiful. And that's what's amazing about diversity and schools like this, is that it brings life to campuses like this, right? That if we were all the same, that'd be boring. But the fact that we're all different, the fact that we can embrace our differences and learn from each other and grow from each other, that's how we really start to get our true education, right? Is that we understand that everyone is an important piece to this puzzle. And without each person, you know, it would be incomplete. So knowing we can look past, you know, some of those things that might separate us at first, our judgments, and then look to see who this person truly is, kind of walk a mile in their shoes. That's a great life lesson to get at such a young age. So thank you again for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Hope to be back again in the future. And, you know, again, thanks for all the love today. I was just so blessed to be doing what I do, and hope to just keep, you know, sharing that love. And a lot of students that ask me, hey, Mr. Peace, you know, why do you do this? When did you start this? You know, it's been 15 years, but I do it for students. You know, I do it for the youth. My heart bleeds for them, and, you know, their stories, their passion, their pain, you know, they're my inspiration. So as much as I might be their idol here and there, I'm just one guy trying to share my heart, trying to touch a small piece of yours. So have a great rest of the year. Until then, though, as always, make sure that the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.